is Dr. Jessica Bame, and along with my colleague, Dr. Graham Anderson, we run the Mass Spectrometry facility. Welcome. Here we can analyze mass spectrometry of multiple different sample types, from the elemental to very large macromolecules, ICP-MS, low resolution, LC-MS, GC-MS, GC-FID, as well as those who are interested in our high resolution systems. Maybe you want to know if that chemical formula in your molecule is actually in there. We can help with that. Here in Mass Spectrometry, we work with both academia, industry, research institutes to do a wide array of applications. Everything from, we've had quality assurance queries about products, materials, nanoparticles, biological samples, particularly with medicine applications, as well as those that might require NDAs. So government authorities, space exploration, historical studies. You mentioned it, we've probably had a look at. Behind me is a thermoscientific Orbitrap with an associated UHPLC. So for those of you who are wanting to know exactly what is in your mixture and have that chemical formula certainty, this is the instrument with the mass accuracy to back it up at 4 decimal places. We also are able to provide those who are interested in elemental analysis, maybe soil samples, nanoparticle extraction that are getting important in circuit board work. That would be our ICP-MS. And lastly, we can also provide those who are like, I've got a molecule that really needs to be studied with some very bespoke LC conditions. We do have LC-MS setups that could be used to analyze very complex mixtures using bespoke gradients in its bespoke column library that we have here at Mass Spec. Mass Spec is a very special facility for those who have inquiries that maybe they're not sure what question you actually have. But whether it's here in Mass Spec or us helping you collaborate with one of our other facilities here in PAC, we can help you find what is your chemical question and how to answer it. So let us know what you might be interested in.
This facility is available for commercial hire. Send your inquiries to chemistry-masspec-inquiries@strathclyde.uk. For more information, visit our website at tinyurl.com/PAC-MassSpec. Follow us on our socials to hear more about our amazing facilities. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use this. Stay tuned for more news from inside Strath Chemistry Facility Spotlight.
We've got some exciting future things happening here in Mass Spec. We have prepared a space for some brand new kits that will be able to analyze complex mixtures and do fragmentation studies. Watch this space soon for even new state-of-the-art instrumentation here in Mass Spec that might serve your research needs.